Ad positioning. Ad positioning is dictated by two variables. The first is the quality score, an unknown quantity dictated by Google's complicated and secret algorithm. By addressing the other variables, we have done everything in our power to improve the quality score. The second is your maximum cost per click, how much you are willing to pay for every click you receive. These two factors gel together to give us our ranking. Ad positioning is definitely an area that varies greatly and needs constant testing and improving to make sure that the balances are correct, as you don't want to be paying too much for a term when you could get all the traffic you need further down the page. This is a variable that really does depend on whether you are maxing out your budget or not. If you are, then it is beneficial to reduce the maximum CPC to get the same amount of traffic for a lower rate. If you are not maxing your budget, then increasing the CPC, especially if your ranking is 5 or below, should be a serious consideration. Obviously, at all times you must be aware of how these changes are affecting your CPA data. Above the fold is a term that is used to describe an ad that doesn't have to be scrolled to be seen. In other words, you see it as soon as the page loads. As a rule of thumb, your ad should always appear above the fold, as traffic and performance will significantly tail off below this point. On a typical size and resolution screen, it is around position 7. And just remember to leave your ego at the door. Being number one isn't always the most sensible solution.